Hey guys, Beauty, bringing here another passive income platform. I already have videos about the stream part of my channel there and proof of payment, okay? I didn't use it for a while and started again, right? I used it again. It's a platform that rents proxy for you to use the way you prefer, but you can also make money with it by sharing the internet you don't use, right? Like the Renegade, there will be a trash can anyway, the ones that I always show there, right? From passive income, earn easily with excess bandwidth. Earn passive income is sharing your unused bandwidth. PacketStream allows you to earn money. Effortlessly is a simple way to generate passive income without additional effort. Just set it up and start earning as your bandwidth is used by another. Well guys, the more internet you have, the better, right? The more internet band you have, the more you will earn. It won't bother you at all. In your navigation, it's just what's left over there, right? That you're not using, that she will make this negotiation there. That Star harness the power of unused internet bandwidth to partner with PacketStream, where your idle resources translate directly into passive income. See guys, idle resources you're not using, right? Or if you leave the computer on too, right? If you ever leave the computer on doing something, it will be generating income for you. For this connected, your bandwidth becomes part of a larger pool used by businesses and individuals who need access to a reliable and secure network. This allows you to make money effortlessly without any national effort on your part, turning what is normally an idle asset into a profitable one. I go here on my dashboard account here, right? On the little control panel here. To show here, oh, how I started again, right guys? So I got some here, okay? It's been a few days. I'm already 2 and 87. It's been a week. And something that I'm 2 and 87 is here. You're already starting, right, to see here, right? There's a reference link here, right, where you share it with your friends. So everyone who enters gets 20%. It's their income, right? It's not their income. It's 11 commissions, right, guys? You get a commission, right, about their earnings here, right? No one. You're welcome, okay? It's just win, okay? So you can publicize it here in all these groups here on all social networks, which makes it easier, right? Or send it to your friends, right? It's also cool to install your app on other computers too, right? From the family and such to yield more what you cannot use too. 2 accounts are on the same IPEM, but you can use an account on several computers. Beauty, here you have an account profile there, right? Your profile and such. And here it is showing here, oh, it drowned, right? There is no 2 and 87, 2 USD and 87, and here you put your email, okay? If I try to withdraw now, it will show that the minimum withdrawal limit is 5 USD. Do you understand? There's going to be a red band here. Here in reference, right? Which is the same thing, right? You go there, copy the link, and finally you invite your friends there, right? Or install it in more places. We don't care about the deposit here, right? And here is the download, okay? I uninstalled it just to show what the registration process is like here, right? By the way, I will leave the link in the description. You enter, register, then, and here you can download it for Windows, or by clicking here in the corner, has for Mac. Windows and Linux, right? Where you will copy the script here, paste there in the terminal, give enter, and it already configures everything for you. Beauty, I have used it in Linux here too, guys, and works cool. Beauty, here's the support. If you want to ask any question there and such, right, you can send something, and above there is the FAQ, right? Frequently asked questions there, right? Let's install it for Windows, right, guys? So I click here, I won't download it again. Okay, guys, well, to download for Windows, you click on the new one, right? And this one of mine is already here, right, guys? It is already installed here, and I'm going to install it directly from here. I'm not going to download this one from here. I'm going to look for it in my downloading path. I'm going to install it where? PacketStream here. I'm going to install the application and finish the installation. It's already opened here. Okay, so he has already started logging in here. Okay, guys? Because I had already installed and uninstalled to show. But the time you're going to do here, login. Oh, you click login. It's going to open a screen here, right? In the Stream Park, you're going to copy the code. I thought this wasn't going to appear, but it did. And you're going to put it on the little screen he showed there, okay? When you clicked on login, it opened this little screen and the website, right? There is a link here to this code. Then you will click on OK, okay? He'll be logged in here by now. So I can click on visit the dashboard, right, which is the website that is in my account, right, and see my earnings here anyway. So on my channel, guys, I already have videos from the stream part, right? It's the form of payment there and all. I didn't show it there, right? But let me go back there in the no account. Here you will be paid via PayPal, okay guys? So when you have 5 USD here, put your email here, click withdraw. The email is valid from PayPal, click on it, and you will receive the payment. Well, I guess that's it, folks. Patricia is trustworthy. It doesn't cause any problems on your computer. It doesn't bother you on the internet, and you still earn money for it. It's like they have other apps as well. Nobody beats Licks here. It works the same way. So, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thanks, guys. See you later.